Hello friends, my name is Rosia. Today we are going to learn how to add your own fonts in VS Code. So now let's say that I have this. I made this before I started the recording, but you could apply it to anything, either a website or some rubbish or a giant piece of text, or Lorem is boom dollar sit amet, or anything you want. So the simple way is just to write font family and choose UI. And when you load, see that the font is changed. But let's say that you don't like these fonts and you want to add another one. So go to Google Fonts and then click on Google Fonts, browse fonts. Now you're going to see many fonts. And also, I did misspell ObaTheCoder. I wrote it like that. I wrote it like that intentionally. I'm just going to scroll down to see if there's anyone I'd like to use. Okay, you can skip through this part. Okay, just skip through this part. I'm looking for a font. Okay, now I found a font that I like. Now we're going to press select regular 400. I'm going to copy this. And now I'm going to paste them. I'm supposed to delete one of these ones, but I don't want to do that. So now you have to check what its name is. Its name is single day, so I'm going to delete everything in my font family. Oops. So now if you reload, see that the changes won't come immediately. I'm going to change the font family to, yes, I know, you're not that dumb. So now we're going to add font family. Single day. Now I'm going to press Ctrl S. Then reload it. But then, as you can see, it has changed the font to the font we installed. Let me change this. See, it has changed font. You can do that with anything. You can even add it to the body so that everything can be this font. So I guess that's the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. And also subscribe to ObaTech, ObaCode and ObaKids. Bye!